Namaskar, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing my kitchen maintenance routine. Since these are occasional and need-based tasks, I do them as per requirement and include them in my monthly cleaning and maintenance routine. This habit helps keep my kitchen clean, organized and maintained all the time. Now let's get started. My first task for today is to clean and disinfect these empty oil dispensers. Before refilling them, I want to clean them. And the sugar and tea jars also need cleaning. There is a little bit of sugar left, so I'm removing that and taking everything for cleaning. To clean and disinfect vegetable oil and seasoning bottles, start by removing any remaining oil or spices from the bottles. Fill the bottles with hot water and a few drops of dish soap. Then shake them vigorously to clean the inside. Then use a bottle brush to scrub the inside. Rinse the bottles thoroughly with hot water and let them air dry. To disinfect the bottles, take a pan or kadhai with water and boil. Then place all the jars upside down for 5 minutes. The steam from the boiling water will help disinfect the bottles and make them sparkling clean. Now leave them to air dry. After cleaning and drying, I have refilled the containers with tea and sugar and bottles with oils. Before placing them back, I want to line this wooden rack and tray as they get dusty and stained often. This liner will help protect the wooden base from stains and spills. Over time, our cutting knives become blunt and lose their sharpness, and working with them becomes difficult. Therefore, sharpening the knives once in a while as per need is essential for easy and smooth cooking flow. Sharpening a dull knife using a honing rod is a quick and easy way to maintain its sharpness. This task is not done regularly but on need basis only. Remember to use caution when sharpening knives to prevent injury, and always clean the honing rod after use. Wow, the knives are back to their sharpness. Sharpening a dull knife using a honing rod is a quick and easy way to maintain its sharpness. Over time, the blades of blending jars can become dull and result in a mixture that is not as smooth as desired. To remedy this, I am trying sharpening the blades by grinding some rock salt using a few different rotations. This will give the blades a finer edge, resulting in smoother blends. I will be reusing this salt later for cleaning cutting boards. It's important to note that while this method can help sharpen the blades temporarily, it's not a long-term solution. For best results, consider investing in a blender with high-quality blades, or sharpen the blades regularly using a sharpening tool such as sharpening stone or honing rod. Several small kitchen appliances require monthly cleaning, including the electric kettle, air fryer, and microwave. To clean them, I use a vinegar water solution. First, I boil a solution of 1 cup water and half cup vinegar in the electric kettle, which helps remove any buildup at the bottom. I remove the water and vinegar solution from the kettle and reuse it to clean other appliances. Next, I clean the air fryer by placing a microwave-safe bowl with some vinegar water solution in it and heating it for 10 minutes. While the solution is steaming, I use a scrub pad to clean the outer body of the kettle. Once the cleaning is complete, I dry the inside and outside of the kettle with the kitchen cloth. I wipe down the air fryer's interior with the scrub and cleaning cloth after removing the bowl and basket. I clean the basket by filling it with water and adding dish soap and baking soda. Then let it sit for 10 minutes before scrubbing it with the sponge pad. It is important to avoid using abrasive tools or harsh chemicals that can damage the appliance surfaces. Finally, I place a bowl of vinegar water solution inside the microwave, heat it for 2-3 minutes and wipe down the interior surface with a clean cloth. After cleaning the microwave tray, I dry it with a clean cloth. The next kitchen task is to clean and care for my cutting boards and spatulas, which are used almost daily. Over time, they lose their shine and become dull, and wood cutting marks become visible. Avoid soaking the board in water or putting it in the dishwasher, as this can cause warping or cracking. For tough black mildew stains, sprinkle coarse salt on the board and scrub with a cut lemon. I have taken the same salt which we use to sharpen the grinder jars. Leave it for 10 minutes and then clean with dish liquid and water and wipe it to dry. If there are wood cutting marks, scrape them off using sandpaper to level and smooth the board. To extend the life of your cutting board, oil it periodically with food grade mineral oil or use wax cutting board polish. My next task is to season this cast iron pancake tawa. It has not been used for quite some time and due to that it has rusted a bit. Some of my stainless steel pans have also lost their shine over time, but with a deep clean I can restore their luster. Start by filling up the pans with water and adding some dish liquid and vinegar. Let the solution boil for 10 minutes. Now either take a bucket or close the sink cap and pour all the water into it. Add some more hot water if needed. Now dip the pan in the solution so that it can cover the bottom of the pans properly. Let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes. If there are any stains still left, scrub with metal wool and that's it. Finally, rinse the utensils with water and dry them with a clean towel. Now the shine is back and all the ugly stains are gone. To maintain their shine, you can polish the utensils with a small amount of olive oil on a soft cloth. Before draining the water and vinegar solution, use it to clean the sink and tap. Vinegar and hot water can remove all the dirt and grime and help bring back the shine of a stainless steel sink and tap. Seasoning a cast iron tawa is essential to prevent rust and ensure even cooking. Start by thoroughly cleaning the tawa with hot soapy water or scrubbing with steel wool to remove any rust or debris. Dry the tawa completely with a clean towel. Add a thin layer of vegetable oil to the tawa using a brush or paper towel to coat the entire surface, including the handle and backside. Place it on a stovetop burner over medium heat. Let the tawa heat up on the burner until the oil begins to smoke, then turn off the heat and let the tawa cool down. Once the tawa has cooled, repeat the process of adding a thin layer of oil, heating it up until it smokes and then letting it cool down. Repeat this process 2-3 times to build up a good seasoning layer. After seasoning, store the tawa in a dry place to prevent rust from foaming. To maintain the seasoning, avoid using soap when cleaning the tawa and simply wipe it down with a paper towel or cloth after each use. As I have a white countertop, it does get a little stained due to heat or spill marks. It is important to take care of a white countertop. To remove stains from a white kitchen countertop made of quartz, start by applying a small amount of white toothpaste to the surface of the countertop and leave it for 10 minutes. Using a soft bristle brush or scrub pad, gently scrub the toothpaste into the surface of the countertop, focusing on any stains or marks. After scrubbing, rinse the countertop with warm water and dry it with a clean cloth. The gentle abrasive in the toothpaste can help to remove stains and marks from the surface of the countertop, leaving it looking clean and bright. After completing all the major cleaning tasks, I wipe down the countertop and clean all the corners as part of my monthly maintenance routine. Many of you have asked about my kitchen countertop cleaning solution, and it is just a few drops of dish liquid and water. I avoid using harsh chemicals on my white countertop to prevent discoloration. Dish liquid is a natural cleaner and degreaser that efficiently removes food stains and grease. Additionally, I wipe down all the cabinet doors. With proper cleaning habits, maintaining a white kitchen is not difficult. It's been 5 years since I moved into this house, and my white kitchen still looks just as great. My last task is to cut small pieces of cloth from old clothes and bed sheets. I refill the box with these pieces every month and utilize them as use and throw napkins. I use them to clean tawas, spice bottles, ghee container and spills on the countertop and save money on buying paper kitchen towel. Though I still use paper napkins, but the usage is minimal now. And that's all about this video. By following simple weekly and monthly cleaning and maintenance routine, you can achieve a beautiful and well-maintained kitchen and home. This is a matter of developing good cleaning habits. Thank you for watching this video. See you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.